Guys, what is up? I'm the doctor and you're on. So we saw some good ride back up yesterday and before yesterday, Bitcoin was down a little bit and we saw it come back. I told you to not trade around here because I told you guys, if you remember, it would go up to here. So don't short or don't do anything. And by the way, this is correlated with the Ledger news that Ledger was hacked. And yeah, if you have Ledger, you might want to withdraw some crypto. So do not, please, don't have Ledger, don't use Ledger. Buy some Treasure or other wallets. Myself, I use a Treasure wallet. My hardware wallet is Treasure, so it's really good. It's I think it's probably the best or maybe second best, so it's really good. So first up to the news. I have some great trades for you guys today. But first, let's go to the news. So Ledger, as I told you, Ledger was sacked yesterday. Some kind of software encryption thing, I don't know, some hacker hacked 484k. Yeah, it was bad. That's why Bitcoin dropped yesterday. That's why you guys saw this week. It's because of the news. Bad news equals bad prices. So the unknown attackers that compromised Ledger's ConnectKit library has reportedly siphoned 484,000 from wallets, according to the on-chain intelligence. Yeah, please. The thing is, Ledger is really bad. Ledger is going down. If you guys remember, they started like hanging on to the seed phrases of you guys' wallets. And so what that means is that your wallet seed phrase, your crypto seed phrase is with someone else. It's with them. It's not only you are the one who knows it. It's like if you have a bank account. Would you give your debit card pin or credit card pin, your ATM pin number to someone else? Would you let someone else hold your password? No, you wouldn't. But Ledger are doing that, so yeah, you might wanna get out of Ledger. Buy some Treasure wallets or other wallets, other hardware wallets. Don't use Ledger because yeah, this won't be the first time. So you might wanna level up. And it is speculated the FTX hacker, the same guy is the one hacking Ledger, the same guy that hacked OKX or I don't know. Every week crypto is facing a hacker shock. If you evaluate the recent incidents, all the activities were done professionally. Duh, of course. No one who just who is just in school or some normal guy wouldn't do this. Wouldn't have the ability to do this. You really need some team or just you really need to be some special guy or to do this kind of stuff and get away with it. And the fact that he cashed out, that is what amazes me, because that is how you know this guy is legit. He cashed out and nobody still knows who he is. Imagine. So yeah, don't use Ledger. Tracking down the attacker's hack strategy. Yesterday we reported how the crypto sector faced serious blah blah blah. Yeah, all this warning, all this, look at this hypocrisy and all this stuff is just to scare you from buying Bitcoin and all this stuff. So yeah, don't read into it. Just don't use Ledger, don't use Coinbase. Just choose specifically which ones, which exchanges, which wallets, which materials you use to do crypto, because your money would depend on it. So choose wisely. The choice is in your hands. So if you remember, I talked about BTCs. If we see Bitcoin's dominance chart, first of all, it is on the weekly. It is high up. There's a long wick here, and it's high up. It's going good for Bitcoin, yeah. But the thing is, we're running up into resistance right over here. We're running up into resistance, so we might see some pullback, some consolidation, or pullbacks, then maybe consolidation a little bit, because we're really got up and up and up, like without any decent pullbacks, without any type of reverses or anything. So we might see some pullbacks. So you might wanna invest in some altcoins. Maybe the altcoin season is coming up, so you might wanna start buying altcoins. And if we see the CME gap still hasn't been filled. So, and this week is closing on the red, is legit. So we might see the next week also going red, and we might also close the gap maybe next week, and we might see some consolidation, maybe like drawing tool here, maybe like, yep, blah blah blah, gap, then a little consolidation, then up, or gap, a little bit consolidation, or down to 31, because this is a major red support right here, 31. So yeah, we might see this type of stuff. So subscribe, don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, for Bitcoin, let's see Bitcoin right now. Yep, the same thing. I showed you the CME chart. This week we're closing off red. We might see a second week red. So if you're a day trader and if you want to see some trades that might come up, so this is a little bit of consolidation zone. This zone right here, we might consolidate a little bit, and we might see if Bitcoin breaks both of these levels. We really need, if you're a day trader, you would want this to happen, because let's say Bitcoin comes down, up, maybe, yep, or blah, yeah. If Bitcoin breaks up, we're gonna see a move to 48 up to 50. So yeah, this zone is a really good zone. So you might want to trade it. Make sure it breaks this level and it retests, or it just stays up this level, because yeah, we might see this, then this, or we might see this, then down to 31. If Bitcoin breaks that level, we are gonna see it go back down to the 31 level, right down here. So yeah, and it would be really good with some leverage, with maybe 15x or 20x leverage. It would be a 20% dip, or if it goes up, 10%. So it would be a really good trade. So make sure your eyes are on this. For Ethereum, however, I wouldn't, it's the same thing. If it goes down here, this is the level we're at. So we want to see it break maybe the resistance or support, so to see a decent action in price. If it breaks down, we might see it go down to around maybe the 2000 level or 1950s, maybe those levels. We might see that coming, or the 1900s. So, but I really don't want to trade Ethereum right now. I want to stay focused on Bitcoin. Yeah, Sol, however, I told you I liked Sol. I told you that Sol was gonna get up, and yep, it did, as predicted. So if you catch that trade, good for you. And if we see the weekly chart for Sol, yep, nothing bad is happening here. But the thing is, we're really going up and up and up without any decent pullbacks. So, and we're running up onto the resistance right here. There might be a small like resistance, and we might see a consolidation, or if it breaks it, we might go up to the 140 level. We might, but I think it's gonna see some resistance, maybe go down, or see some resistance and just consolidate a little bit and go up. Yep. So okay, AVAX, I told you to buy some AVAX, if you remember, because AVAX, we're really going up good. It broke the resistance right here as predicted, and it can go up 30, 84, 100%. So yeah, buy some AVAX. If we see it on the daily chart, AVAX is still good. No worries up to here. So you wanna buy some AVAX. And me token, I told you that in Get Rich in a Glitch. So make sure you see that video. I show you guys how to trade me to get some decent returns, 20x your money. And VET too. VET is really good. It broke the resistance. If you see here, see right here, this level, it broke. Me myself, I'm long on VET, so I longed down here, so I'm really up like maybe how much up. Maybe I'll show you guys my trade. I'm up 30%. So you wanna buy bet, and we could go up to, if you buy VET right now, we could go up to, let's see, 44%. And if you buy it with some leverage, maybe 10x, so 400%. So if you have like 1,000 bucks, and if you will get around 4,000 bucks, so it would be a really good trade. Make sure your liquidation price would be below, because we might see some resistance. There is a resistance, small resistance right here, not small. It was a resistance here. It tested it, failed, tested, like wanted to test, failed. So maybe we'll get up and breaks this level right here. So don't buy right now, buy it when it breaks this level right here. And link as well, link is really strong, really good. We went up and up and up, and it's seeing some resistance, and it wants to break the resistance. It's really trying to, and if we do, it's sky high, baby, to the moon, 56%. So with leverage, you can trade it up to like maybe 20x link, and so that means maybe 1,000%, 10x. You can 10x your money with link. We might see link go to all-time highs. This bull markets are up to, that goes up to 2025. So make sure your eyes are on link too. Cardano, the same thing. There was like maybe a bull. Oh no, I don't see it. Yeah, I don't want to trade Cardano. Neo, if you guys check Neo, it's really trying to break this level. It tested, failed, tested, failed. Had a decent come up here, tested, failed, and again. So if it breaks this level right here, you would really want to buy Neon, because it's gonna move up like let's check, move up to from 35 to 100, like maybe even 100%. So you might want to buy Neo. Matic 2 is really good, so make sure you guys have Matic. Make sure you guys have all these tokens right over here, right on my watch list, because I specifically imported just this tokens because they are good tokens. They are not some crap tokens. And I will show you guys, I have a decent video on a trade that is gonna go up 300%. So you do not want to miss that. Make sure you check that. It would be on Get Rich in a Glitch or on Trade of the Day. So make sure you guys check those playlists, and don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, because I am showing you guys literally how you are gonna get some money on the coming bull market. And see you in the next video.